Hello children, welcome to today's art class. In today's class, our topic is nature color in our environment. Our topic is nature color in our environment. What is color? Color is the surface appearance of something within and around us. What is color? Color is the surface appearance of something within and around us. It is available everywhere in our environment. It is available everywhere in our environment. It is how a particular object looks. For example, yellow, red, green, black, white, and blue, etc. For example, yellow, red, green, black, white, blue, etc. They are the most common colors in our environment. They are the most common colors in our environment. Colors in our environment. In our environment. Yellow. Example, MTN logo, banana, sun, traffic lights, and sunflower. Number 2, red. For example, rose flower, Airtel logo, traffic light stop sign, and tomato. Green. For example, fried rice, garden egg. Nigerian flag, traffic light green sign. Green color. Green. For example, fried rice, garden egg. Nigerian color, traffic light green sign. Black. For example, black charcoal, tarred road, human hair, and tire. White, part of Nigerian flag, salt and sugar. Blue. For example, sky. Colors can be mixed together. Colors can be mixed together. For example, red, blue, and yellow. We can add red plus yellow, red plus blue, blue plus yellow, etc. Primary colors. Primary colors are basic colors. Primary colors are basic colors. The primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. The primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. Primary colors cannot be obtained by mixing other colors. Primary colors cannot be obtained by mixing other colors. Primary colors cannot be obtained by mixing other colors. Secondary colors. Secondary colors. Secondary colors are obtained by mixing two different primary colors. Secondary colors are obtained by mixing two different primary colors. They are orange, green, and purple. They are orange, green, and purple. Tertiary colors. Tertiary colors. Tertiary color is also known as advanced color. Tertiary color is also known as advanced color. They are colors that can be combined of both primary and secondary. They are colors that can be combined of both primary and secondary. They are yellowish color, orange, reddish color, purple, blue, bluish color, and yellowish green. Importance or uses of color. Importance or uses of color. Number 1, it is used for company's logo, e.g., MTN, Glo, and Airtel. Number 2, it is used for an identity, e.g., yellow house, blue house, etc. Number 3, it is used for dyeing clothes. Number 3, it is used for dyeing clothes. Number 4, it is used for painting houses. Number 4, it is used for painting houses. Number 5, it is used for decoration and beautification. Number 5, it is used for decoration and beautification. Number 6, it is used for art and design. Number 6, it is used for art and design. And finally, number 7, it is used for costume. Number 7, it is used for costume. Sources of color. Sources of color. Kola nuts, alfalfa leaves, lali, ground leaves, yam leaves, cassava leaves, millet leaves, bitter leaves, ugu or pumpkin leaves, ugu or pumpkin leaves, water leaves, hibiscus flower, and clay soil. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Why should you subscribe to this channel? We upload basic art videos and artistic skill sets for children of all ages on a daily basis, starting from fundamental of art and craft for kids, drawing objects, nature art and nature craft, colors, and a lot more. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.